Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna look at a custom workflow where you could generate seamless PBR textures for your 3D world. So in this workflow, you can see that I'm using comfyui and is running on my local PC. So you could load a reference image, and when you run it, it's gonna look for your positive prompt and negative prompt, and considering your reference, it's gonna generate seamless texture for you. Then it's gonna generate the PBR maps for your 3D world. So let's see, it's generating over here. This is the one I generated previously. We are generating a 2K resolution right now. The generation speed depends on your PC's hardware spec. Yes, now our square seamless image is generated, and here are our PBR. That's it guys. So let me know if you want a detailed video on this. Thank you. Bye bye.